You'll need a top-notch team to win this one.
Open your eyes. Reality is but an illusion.
Round
When
one,
science
go!
failed me, magic was there.
30 seconds before you attack. Get ready.
The power you unleash from your eyes, does it ever run out?
Not in my experience. Some say it's channeled from a dimension of pure concussive force.
Ah, the so-called punch dimension. America Chavez told me it once. I've been meaning to
The battle
study
starts in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. All you need to do is capture the mission area. Got it?
Time has unraveled. Who will stitch it together again?
Good
Whoever
medicine.
they are, they don't look friendly. Just watch.
The doctor is in. What armor is this?
Survive this!
Our enemies are near.
Your god is suffering.
I am strengthened for battle. Out, dark magic!
Hey, the doctor needs to... He's injured. Believe it!
Mortal pain is no match for the Sorcerer Supreme. Usually I create my own shield.
Needed that boost.
Double kill!
The Sorcerer Supreme lives once more.
Only 60 seconds left.
I am strengthened for battle. Some welcome guest.
Double kill! That's 3!
I have unfinished business here. I'm opening a portal.
The final 10 seconds!
The God of Thunder! A shortcut through space.
Disappear!
No winner yet. Going to overtime!
By the Eye of Agamotto! By the Eye of Agamotto!
The current score is 0-0. Time to switch things up, including which side you're on. The right heroes could make all the difference.
Open your eyes. Reality is but an illusion.
Round 2,
I would
go!
knit the dimensions back together if it were within my power.
They'll be coming in 30 seconds. Stay strong.
If you step out of line, Mr. Barnes, I will not hesitate to rip that metallic limb from your body.
Then I guess it's a good thing I only need one arm to take you out.
The battle starts in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. You have to stop them from securing the mission area.
Today, we fight as allies.
I am strengthened for battle.
Director's injured! Mayday!
Needed that boost.
The Sorcerer Supreme lives once more.
Final score 0-1. Well, you can't expect to win them all. Pick your hero. Or villain, I'm not judging. before you attack. Get ready.
Remember when we were steeds together, back in the day, Stormy?
Those were simpler times, Remy. Sometimes I wish we could go back.
Got me a chunk of Chronovium that says we can. Wanna come along?
You would use Rogue's engagement ring to run from a battle.
The battle starts in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. All you need to do is capture the mission area. Got it?
Gotta be the best man I can be for the new Mrs. LeBeau.
The mission area is yours to capture now. The mission area is yours.
You expect to get some bees? We should go now, no? We should go now, no?
Now, a disappearing Feeling stronger already.
Got eyes on one. That's my girl, Ro. Eyes over here, too.
Anything is good for me. They've spotted us!
You've captured more than half of the mission area. Keep going.
Cease all action! That really helped.
Yet another
A time waste.
Well, that's better.
The area's almost yours.
I see them!
Before you attack. Get ready.
Try and keep yourself under control, Wanda.
Control chaos? You really don't understand.
Different battlefield, same war.
The battle starts in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. All you need to do is capture the mission area. Got it?
Travel across the universe for love, but they still couldn't get away from the fighting.
They've spotted us!
The mission area is yours to capture now. The mission area is yours.
no time for a fatal.
You are a mighty ally, Wanda Maximoff.
The area's almost yours! Remy! Sugar!
The southern belt.
Control lost!
They spotted us. A timely boost.
Just the boost I need.
Southern belt.
Hurricane incoming! You belong to me!
Their team's capture progress has passed the halfway point. I see control C! Control lost! Control C!
Lift up my comrades.
No winner yet. Going to overtime.
A thousand